In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite guests in Monday.com. Inviting guests is really useful when you want clients, partners, or external collaborators to see what you're working on without giving them full access to everything in your account. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to click, what to type, and how to control what your guests can see and do. First, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and you're in the workspace or board where you want to add your guest. At the top of your screen, look for the small person icon, usually found near the top right corner of the interface. This icon is your quick access to inviting people. Go ahead and click on that person icon to open the invite panel. Once the invite panel is open, you'll see a field where you can type in email addresses. In this field, start typing the email address of the guest you want to invite. If you're inviting multiple guests, you can add their email addresses one after another. Just make sure each one is entered correctly. Take a moment to double check spelling, because any mistake here means the invitation won't reach the right person. After adding the email or emails, the next important step is to choose the access level for these guests. This is where you decide what they're allowed to do once they're inside your workspace. Look for the option that lets you select access or permissions. Click on that, and you'll see different roles or levels to choose from. For guests, a common and safe choice is to make them viewers. When you select the viewer option, you're giving them permission to see the content on the board, but not to change anything. This is perfect for clients who just need to review progress, or stakeholders who only need visibility into your projects. Click on Viewer to set this permission for the people you're inviting. When you're happy with the email addresses you've entered and the access level you've selected, you're ready to send the invitation. Look for the Invite button in the panel and click on it. Monday.com will send an email invitation to each address you added. Your guests just need to open that email, click the link, and follow the instructions to join your board as viewers.